Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds T-Mobile with your Android device. You have to start by Open Settings and now go to Connected Devices. After that click Pair New Device. And now open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. It will enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. Here we go, click on it. Okay, sometimes it happens, so go back, click again at the Pair New Device, and click on your earbuds here. Then click Pair, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!